All right, we're gonna change the fan, also called the blower, in this TiVo Edge. First thing you're gonna do, flip the edge over, find the two screw holes that are hidden under the sticker. You can feel them with your finger. I just slid them open with my spudger. Then I'm taking my edge opening tool and I'm gonna loosen up the two screws there. There's one. The screws are captive, so they're not gonna come out completely, but once you get it free, you'll know. And they remain in there. Then there are 6 little areas where you can get the spudger into the edge of the case. You don't actually need to usually get to all 6, but once you get to maybe 4, you're probably all set. Pops open. That's just the cable car door piece popped off. We'll put those aside. Okay, there's your blower fan assembly. It's got 2 screws holding it in, but because of the way the wire goes under this screw, you actually need to take the hard drive out to really do this the right way. So then what we're gonna do is straighten all these little metal tabs that hold the top of the cage on the hard drive. In most edges, only 2 of these tabs are turned. This one had 4 turned. Sometimes they have 6 turned. Anyway, I push right up there with the spudger. If you push over here with the other end of the spudger, you can usually get that piece off nicely. And we'll set that aside. Then what we're gonna do is remove 6 screws. 4 screws on the hard drive, not the side screws on the hard drive, but the 4 screws that are holding the hard drive bracket in place. Then you can remove the hard drive by sliding it towards the fan and up. Then you need to remove the 2 screws holding the fan in place. From there, the fan goes straight up to come out, unplug it from the motherboard, and then, as I mentioned before, that wire is stuck under the corner there, it'll pull right out. When you're ready to put your new fan or your replacement fan back in, just reverse the process. Pop it back down on there. You don't really have to, oh, I have it backwards, I'm sorry. It's like this. You don't really have to put the wire back through under there if you don't want. It'll be fine just going right to the connector. Only connects on one way, it's keyed. So once you get that on, plug the connector back on, put your 2 screws back in, put your hard drive back in, top of the hard drive back on. You can twist those metal pieces on top of the hard drive cage if you want. Then once you put the lid back on, I'll show you how that works, but basically the lid, just line it up, snap it on as well as you can, then go back and work your way around the edge, and each part should click back in place. And on the very back, the flush back, it's gonna look like it's wrong. Just sort of press down, not on the lid, but on the base of the case, and the 2 remaining tabs will pop into place there. Then you just tighten up your 2 screws there with your edge tool, and you're all set.